through the dust in a surge of fury. The rookie is caught in a pincer movement. A predator is at the den, jaws locked on soft flesh, no escape. In its mind, this was a clean meal. At least it thought it would be. Then the ground erupts. A hammer blow lands. Dust bursts into the air. In seconds, everything changes. Now it's only strength and speed. Now. The mother goes down, then surges back up. Down again, then up again. And each time she rises, she returns to one place, the mouth of the den. Over and over. Because if she gives even half a step, everything behind her could be lost. The predator reassesses the situation. The cub is no longer the easiest prize. The mother is the lock on the door. No more silent theft, only pressure. The predator, worn down by days of hunger, stays on the target, even though this was never the original plan. Inexperience makes it misread the situation. Just when everything seems decided, a heavier force comes in on a straight line. The boar charges through the dust in a surge of fury. The rookie is caught in a pincer movement. Two prey animals, one purpose. Desperation to keep the family intact, a force that can't be underestimated. Now it's two adults at one den entrance, a wall of muscle and curved ivory blades. The leopard is an apex predator, and it won't hesitate. It lunges at one and is met by the other. Every attempt to isolate a target fails. This draining fight is a trap it isn't experienced enough to recognize. The leopard slows, not out of fear, but because it's finally seeing the problem. Energy bleeds out with every failed surge. Strike, brace, then counter-strike, each exchange harder than the last. Chaos escalates as the parents grunt and snarl, moving as one, physically and mentally pressing an